Hi there everybody, it's me, Neil Smith, the Dandy DJ, and today I am unboxing the Alesis v49 Midi keyboard. Now, there's doing my research about what kind of keyboard I wanted, because I wanted to start composing more of the music and things for my videos, not to mention I am a musician, a guitarist, not a keyboardist though, and I do have clients that I produce things for from time to time. And I wanted to be able to do more and better things for them. So I started looking around for a MIDI keyboard so I could make various sounds and horns and other instruments without actually knowing how to play them. In the glory of editing in the digital world makes that possible for a guy with no talent. Anyway, let's crack this thing open and see what we got. I mean, I really like this because it's at pretty good size keys, normal size keys, I think. And then they've got these pads over here that you can program for stuff. And I am no expert on this, but I'm going to unbox it for you and we're going to see what we got here. There's little tabs at the top. There's no tape on this box. And I do want to give a special shout out to Pedro Flores, from Guitar Center Professional, and he hooked me up with this thing. Oh, let's turn it around here. And it looks to be, there we go, inside the box. Looks like normally I do an unboxing, I start with all the little knickknacks and things, but it appears that the thing to do in this case would be to pull out the star of the show. Let's see what we got over here at the end. Right here it appears that USB cable. Okay, that is what you need. And it's got a little, whatever you call that, Ferris Bueller node on it. I don't know. I need a day off. Anyway, let's pull out the keyboard because I don't think there's going to be much to this. We're just going to have a look at how it's packaged and what's in it. And it's probably going to take me a good long while to figure out even how to use it. Okay, and over here, instructions, owner's manual, all that good stuff. Very important stuff. Let's set the box aside, pull off the end pieces of foam, and I will give you my initial thoughts on it. All right, so there goes the protective plastic. And right here, it does have a protective plastic film over the keys. I'm not really sure why, but let's go ahead and do the satisfying rip-off of the protective film, because that's what everybody loves to see. And, ooh, the keys are nice. They've got some good pushback on them. They're not all flimsy and cheap feeling. I like that. All right, well, the keys feel very solid. You got these pads over here for, guess you can do whatever you want with them. And knobs and, ooh, oh, look, I can do bends. That's really cool. I forget what I paid for this. It was not much. It was very reasonably priced. It was like the most full-featured, best review one at a reasonable price that I could find. So let's have a look around the back. No connections in the front there. Let's have a look around the back. That's where the USB cable goes. You can add a sustain pedal. It doesn't appear to come with a sustain pedal, but you can add one if you go out and buy one. So for a guy like me, I'll probably just hold my finger down on the key. And I want to make sure, anything else? No, the rest of the holes are screw holes. It's pretty darn straightforward. Let's make sure there's no sustain pedal in here. I want to make absolutely sure. I'm sure there's not. And there's not. Okay, well, I mean, that's pretty cut and dry and pretty simple. That is the Alesis v49 keyboard, an official unboxing. I'm Neil Smith, the Dandy DJ. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you didn't, then don't say anything at all. You can visit my website at dandydj.com to see all the other crazy stuff I do. Also, I started a new venture. It's called the Dandy Funhouse, and that's where I do toy reviews. I go visit theme parks. I teach you how to play cornhole the correct way. all kinds of awesome stuff like that. Go over to dandyfunhouse.com if you'd like to check that out too. Anyway, you guys, it's time for me to go. Stay dandy. I'm Neil Dandy, the Big Cheese, over at the Dandy Funhouse video show, podcast, and blog, where we explore all things amusement. Theme parks, toy stores, toy and game reviews, arcade alerts, crazy recipes, how-tos, and much, much more. If it's fun and family-friendly, you'll find it here at dandyfunhouse.com, where everything is always fun and dandy.